हेलो बच्चों, क्लास 11th में इंग्लिश में हॉर्नबिल में आपका सेकंड चैप्टर कंटिन्यू है। वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड टू डाई इफ़ वी कैन ऑल बी टुगेदर। तो इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे हम लोग। पहला प्रश्न है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड टू डाई, हु स्पीक्स दीज वर्ड्स एंड व्हेन। किसने ये शब्द किए थे और कहे थे और कब कहे थे। दीज वर्ड्स आर स्पोकन बाय जॉन when their boat wave walker was in the bad condition and when the weather became worst. second question आता है आपके सामने। name the voyagers who set sail from England to reach Australia. Navigator and astronomer Captain James Cook claimed the whole of the east coast of Australia for the Great British on 22nd August 1770. Naming Eastern Australia, New South Wales. Question number third. What preparation did the narrator make for the long journey? लंबी यात्रा के लिए क्या तैयारी की थी? तो they have been preparing for this voyage 16 years. For the voyage, they professionally designed their boat. The boat was tested several times in the harsh condition to make sure its journey. Also, the narrator and his wife prepared themselves mentally and physically so they can undergo such voyage. Question number 4. How does the author describe wave walker? वेव वॉकर का कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया उन्होंने, कैसे डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया। वेव वॉकर वॉज 23 मीटर लॉन्ग, 30 टन, प्रोफेशनली डिजाइंड एंड बिल्ट बोट इन विच द नरेटर कैप्टन जेम्स कुक intended to undertake its voyage around the world along his family. The author described the boat as wooden hulled beauty. Now question number 5th. When did the family start their expedition? How did they face along the route? कब शुरू किया और कैसे उन्होंने यात्रा को फेस किया। आइए पढ़ते हैं। The Gordon family started their expedition in July 1976 from Plymouth, England. The story in about Gordon Cook, which he goes to an adventure with his family, with his wife Mary and 2 children, Jonathan and Suzanne. Number 6. Who were the 2 crewmen taken by the narrator? What was their contribution to this project? कौन कौन साथ में गए थे नरेटर के और उनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा था इस ट्रिप के लिए। लैरी विजिल एंड हर्ब सीगलर वर 2 crewmen taken by the narrator to help them face one of the world's roughest seas, the Southern Indian Ocean. These 2 crewmen helped narrator to double lash everything. They worked like madmen and pumped the water out of the ship. Number 7. What did narrator know about the Southern Indian Ocean? Did his fear come true? The narrator knew well. The narrator well knew that the Southern Indian Ocean towards the last east of the Cape Town was every rough and dangerous. Yes, his fears come true as they started facing strong gales. As they left Cape Town, they continued fighting gigantic waves and winds for more than a week. Number 8. How did the narrator celebrate the Christmas and New Year? They celebrated Christmas with a Christmas tree. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather, but they celebrated the दे विद द होप दैट द वेदर वुड चेंज सून। तो इस तरह से बच्चों 8 क्वेश्चन हो गए, और इन 8 क्वेश्चंस में से एनुअल एग्जाम में ज़रूर आएगा, तो आप सब इन 8 क्वेश्चन को तैयार कर लीजिएगा। ओके बच्चों, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।